If you're thinking about buying ST ASU PTE, there are a few things you should know before making the decision. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of whether it's the right choice for you. Unlike many competitors in this space, ST ASU PTE offers unique features, but that doesn't mean it's the best fit for everyone. Let's break down the key things you need to be aware of. First off, ST ASU PTE stands out for its user-friendly interface. When I tried it out, I was surprised by how intuitive it is, especially compared to other software in the same category. While competitors like X Software and Y Platform tend to be more complex, ST ASU PTE offers a cleaner, more accessible experience without sacrificing functionality. For anyone who's looking for something straightforward to use, this is definitely worth considering. Next thing, let's talk about the pricing model. Many products in this space lock you into expensive subscriptions or offer limited free trials that don't give you enough time to truly test the service. ST ASU PTE, however, offers a completely free trial right off the bat. If you use the link in the description, you can test the platform with no strings attached, so you can make sure it fits your needs without commitment. This transparency in pricing really sets it apart from competitors that tend to bury their pricing behind confusing tier systems. The third thing you should know is about customer support. While other services sometimes leave users frustrated with slow response times or complicated help systems, ST ASU PTE really shines here. In my experience, their support team is responsive and knowledgeable. They even offer personalized setup assistance, which is rare in this industry. If you run into an issue, you'll feel confident knowing that help is only a message away. Next thing, scalability. If you're planning to grow with this software, you're in luck. ST ASU PTE has scalability options that other similar platforms don't offer. You're not just limited to a set number of features. As your needs change, ST ASU PTE grows with you. You can easily upgrade your plan as your requirements expand, without having to worry about hidden fees or complicated migrations. This flexibility makes it a solid choice for businesses planning long-term. The fifth thing is about integrations. In my testing, I found that ST ASU PTE seamlessly integrates with all the major tools you're probably already using. While some competitors require third-party plugins or offer limited integration options, ST ASU PTE's built-in connectors make it a breeze to connect with popular platforms. This level of compatibility really saves time and reduces hassle. The sixth point I want to touch on is the learning curve. A common complaint I've seen with similar products is that they can be hard to learn. But with ST ASU PTE, the onboarding process is incredibly smooth. If you're familiar with other software in this space, you'll find yourself up and running in no time. If you're a beginner, don't worry. ST ASU PTE offers a range of tutorials and resources to guide you through the process. Finally, let's discuss security. With all the recent breaches in the industry, it's crucial to know how secure your data is. ST ASU PTE uses robust encryption and follows best practices to keep your information safe. Many competitors cut corners here, but ST ASU PTE prioritizes security, so you can rest assured your data is in good hands. If you want to try out ST ASU PTE, you need to click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial and access to exclusive benefits. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a better solution than what you currently have, ST ASU PTE is worth considering, so don't wait. Check it out now and see how it stacks up against the competition.